retrace back up to get out of this. So this is where we're at right now. We're still holding this major trend line here. You guys can see we touched it 1, 2 touches. Okay, we never can't made a candle close below it. All right. So I'm going to say this again. I want to reiterate this to you guys. If we start to see Bitcoin get rejected here again, and we make a candle body close below this trend line, all right, below this trend line, and we go back up to back test it as a resistance, guys, we probably will go into a major downtrend. Okay, this is a major trend line that we do not want to break. That could ensue lots of selling, and it points to this target right here, which is 20K. All right, if we end up breaking it, and so on. If we end up continuing to make lower highs, like after we make this bounce here at 20K and we bounce to reject this, guess what we're going to do? We're going to come back down to test this support again. And if we break this support, you guys already know we're going to come down to 16K and so on. Like, oh, lower high, go down again, right? I'm just giving you guys an iteration of what could happen if we do break this major trend line. All right. Right now, we're not really showing that. Okay, we're showing that we're going to actually hold this area. We're actually holding this 1272 fib extension right now. This is a daily time frame, guys. All right, this is a daily time frame. Okay. So the daily is coming out of negative momentum right now. So I do think we're going to get a relief rally out of here. Okay. And the target is this. It's just really this simple. When we break this resistance, if we break this resistance, the target will be this resistance right up here at $40,725. We're going to touch and test and flirt with this daily 21 exponential moving average. That's it. That's it. We're going to break out of this, most likely. We're going to break this. We're going to break this. We're going to touch it. We're probably going to come back down and maybe make a cup to make a higher high, okay? That's if there's lots of buying pressure here. If there's not lots of buying pressure here, then we're going to see something like this, where we do break and we get rejected here. And this is a resistance. We're going to get rejected here, and we'll probably come back down to test these lows again, okay? Obviously, we don't want to see this because the more times you test the support, the more likely it is to break the support. We don't want to see that. What we do want to see is we want to see us break out and make a higher low, right? Break out, get rejected here, whatever, and make a higher low, all right, to make continuation. That's what we really want to see, guys. If we end up coming back to this down to the support, I'll just remember what I said. We break this 1272 fib extension, guys. We basically. So if it breaks 37K, I can ape in till 40K. Yeah, probably. I mean, if we break this major downtrend, this resistance line here, then yeah, we're gonna get a breakout right up to $40,500. It's really that simple. If we don't break out and we reject this, we're gonna go lower, right? Well, this is a pretty pivotal spot for Bitcoin right now and the entire crypto market. If you guys like this content, make sure you guys smash up the like button and hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. We're doing what we can here to provide the best and most accurate technical analysis we can for you at this time. All right. So yeah, we are showing this divergence here on the RSI, right? Because we've made lower prices, right, or the same lows on price, but we're making higher levels of relative strength, right? So let's look at ETH. I think the altcoins are actually outperforming Bitcoin, so that's something to pay attention to as well. We're going to go to weekly chart. I'm getting major levels here, guys. All right, major levels. Major levels. So what I just did was I took the Fibonacci tool and I started from the bottom back here in 2015 to our previous market cycle top here in 2018. Awesome, Black Sheep. Thank you so much for doing that, man. That's really awesome. I really appreciate that. Make sure all you guys check out Black Sheep's channel, man. He's a great man, a great guy. He's a great community. Make sure you guys check him out as well, all right? Anyways, so back to ETH. Okay, ETH actually is holding the weekly 21, unlike Bitcoin, right? And the 200-day moving average, we're also way above that as well. So definitely keep that in mind, guys. We are above the 200-day moving average. We are above the 21 weekly EMA. I'm going to now fib from these lows here back in the bear market. I know this is going to look really crazy on the chart, but I want to get the in-between targets for you guys so you know where we topped out. Perfect. Okay. We hit the 1414 fib extension from this swing high to this swing low. We touched it and dumped, right? Now, I mean, we'll see. I mean, this support is holding here on the weekly, but you guys can see we're making a lower high with a bit of rejection, okay? So that is a bit of a cause for concern. And you can see that the momentum and the oscillator is pointing down. We're slowly weaning on positive momentum here as well. Okay, so just be careful on ETH, okay? The daily chart is giving us a different narrative, actually. We're seeing, a low and a higher low on the RSI, which does coincide with the price. So there's no RSI divergence right now that I'm seeing. Momentum, there's no real divergence on momentum either, unfortunately. Okay. And the MACD candles are still kind of trending down for now. We're looking for a cross up if we can get it here. Like the 4 hour looks like it might want to cross back up. That's good. So the narrative here with ETH is that this is our major trend line, supply line right now. And we're also in one of these pennants, okay? Again, Bitcoin breaks up, ETH will follow it, most likely. And well, I want to look at actually is the ETH Bitcoin chart. So ETH Bitcoin chart looks pretty good right now. We are extended here a little bit off the means and the averages, but got this major breakout. Could come back down to test it. Good. We'll see. Right now, it's still okay, right? And we're way above the 200-day moving average on the Bitcoin chart. You're in a bit of a ascending or a bit of a pennant up here. Looks like the ETH USD price right now. These have a 57% chance to break up. Okay. It's really all about what Bitcoin does, guys. We're kind of just waiting to see what Bitcoin does, really. All right, that's it. Comes down to what this animal wants to do here, man. Well, this could be a divergence here on the 8 hour. All right. Remember, though, we're still in bearish territory here on the MACD. We're below 0 on the 8-hour. The daily is still below 0 on the MACD, even though we might, it's, we'll see. If we got a bullish cross, that's great. That's what we're looking for. The 3-day just continuing to build negative momentum. 3-day are already entering into bearish territory. But, more and more potentially hidden divergence.
What he's trying to say is we might be fucked, we might not be fucked.
And the weekly...
to translate all that for you guys out there.
This negative momentum. Still making it. The weekly is still bullish, though, right? The weekly is still bullish. We're above 0 on the MACD. If this signal indicator was below 0, man, we'd be in bear market, straight up bear market. So this is
coming at you live.
Yeah, we can look at all of them, man.
One of my boys, Mr. Evan from STP.
We're rejecting the 200-day moving average right now here on the weekly right now.
We're gonna do something different today. Fuck it.
Too good right now on Bitcoin.
Bitcoin looks like shit.
Like I said before, though, we're still holding this trend line. We hold the trend line and don't make a closure below it or break below it. We're still in a bull market. If we do, well, guys, we probably go into a bear market. Okay, we break this trend line, we go into a bear market. It's really that simple, unfortunately. Fortunately, but unfortunately, that's where we're at. VeChain was requested. The VeChain holding above the 200-day moving average, and it's trying to climb back above the weekly 21. So this exceeded the 1618 fib extension, so went on quite a move. But yeah, this could be making a double bottom, right? Like if you hold this right here. VeChain looks good actually.
Wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cutter, suck to be. Wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cutter, suck to be.
We could see if this closes like this with 45 minutes to go. This is a potential double bottom here on VeChain. Right, bottom, double bottom. We could see VeChain go to 20 cents, right? The supply line here, and maybe make a partial decline depending on what Bitcoin does, and maybe the channels.
Know this guy? He's Mr. Know It All from Swing Trade Pros. He's one of my friends. He's in my Telegram. Does some sick TA.
It's tough to really date. I mean, I would only suggest maybe day trading this stuff and not doing anything else with it other than day trading it. Okay.
I was about to go to the stream.
So
you got him right here too.
This could be a value area to trade back to the upside, right? We could see a market sell off here or some volatility come in. This was where was the Corona crash? Here was the Corona crash, right? So this was the Corona crash.
COVID.
And we have little spikes in here, right? So we could get another little spike on the volatility index, right? Yeah, it's a little chilly here. It's like 40-something degrees here. All right, so that's the VIX and then the SQQs.
What a crazy couple years it's been. Holy shit. Who'd have thought we'd added the COVID dump, right?
The
COVID dump.
Here on the daily, or basically the daily. The monthly.
Oh, man.
We're pretty wrecked. I would say gold is a good hedge too. All right. And gold looks pretty good right now. It's a bit overbought on the daily, I suppose. But what's going on, Tall?
Got 6 watching on BlackSheep's channel.
OGN. Yeah, we like that one for Ryan. Guys, all the TA here being done is all really dependent on what Bitcoin does. Okay. Just want to remind you guys. Perfect touch to the 1272. We've come down to the 786 fib extension on this asset. Yeah, it's squeezing between these two ranges right now, right? We got to get above the daily 21. You're looking at.
I just gave us a shout out.
Lots of upside.
Happy Memorial Day weekend from the BlackSheep show.
But depending on what Bitcoin does, man. Again,
that's why.
Down sloping channel. You want to trade this breakout. That's what you were looking for. You're looking for this break.
Fuck, I got nothing else to talk about, guys. Bitcoin's doing
on the daily,
jack shit. Bots are working good though. Bots are making money.
That's pretty
there.
close to a breakout, if I say so myself. Up here, okay.
The SARS kicking ass and the Wick Cutters kicking ass.
Out, right?
So I gotta say.
You want to close up here, man. You want to close out of here.
You got these things dialed in.
In all honesty, this looks like you could see a nice breakout on OGN.
Hell yeah.
It's not. It's not. A lot of the altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin. But if you go look at what happened in the previous bull markets,
the Bart Simpson.
Okay, after Bitcoin tops out, like I guess it's been about a month. But I was going to say, if you go look at what happened in past bull markets, after Bitcoin tops out, the altcoins reach their all-time highs about a month later. So we're coming up on that, or we're right around that. Not saying that this is the top. I'm just saying that if this is a top, and we go into a bear market, which we haven't confirmed yet, okay, have not confirmed bear market just yet. We will know, in my opinion, we will know next week what this is going to do.
Woo! Cut it close. Got the end of the month. Got the end of the week. What the fuck? What else we got? Oh, man. Shit's looking ugly. Ugh. What a fucking correction that was. Be ready for that next time, huh?
All right, guys.
I just hope we see some upside soon. Upside is always nice. Downside is never going to be a good thing.
Not too much going on, man. Just sideways price action. Again, we on the 8-hour here, we are we're getting a bit of rejection here, right? See that candle coming down a little bit, but we still have this low we're holding here from May 23rd. So about a week ago, we made a higher low here on the 8-hour chart. We're in the bottom of the green band territory. You guys already know what that means. So if this is a bottoming, we have a low and a higher low backed up here on Bitcoin.
It's gonna dump or it's gonna rip.
Right.
There's only two fucking things you can do from right
You guys
here.
wanna
It's
look
gonna
at- you guys
dump
want to look
hard
at some
or it's
stocks, I
gonna
think,
go to
right?
the fucking moon. It's not gonna stop. You know?
Sucres, you requested some stocks, right?
Holy shit.
NCE.
Oh, I really hope it doesn't take another leg down because that's gonna put so much bad sentiment into the market, more than there is already now. It's fucking stupid, right? It's already bullshit as it is. It's like, I don't even fucking want to do this anymore, kind of thing, you know. But it's like, I love this. So you got a hodl, baby. The bull market can't be over already. It can't be over yet. There's fucking no way in hell. But we could take another look at now. I don't want even to hear another leg down.
We're starting to make higher highs and higher lows.
Yeah. I mean, it could happen, man. It could happen. Fuck. You just
And you're respecting this trend line here.
just gonna enjoy the ride, I guess.
Parabola here.
$1,000 billion, I know. Fucking trillion, dude. So stupid. Yeah, I don't think so, man. I don't think we've topped out this cycle, man. It'd be sad. We're gonna find out soon, though. We're gonna find out.
But you're still in a downtrend,
I gotta
right?
go to McDonald's or whatever.
Just
you know,
be careful with that. You're
fuck it.
yeah, you gotta cross up on the daily.
Cause drip ain't gonna be worth shit when fucking BNB goes back to $30.
Could be showing a bit of hidden divergence here on the weekly.
Holy
Right?
shit!
He's made a higher
Oh,
high on price during this negative momentum.
that'd be all bad.
So maybe some sort of wedge formation here or downsloping channel. All right, but be careful. You get a death cross here on the daily 21 EMA and the 200 moving average above it. But it looks like you're trying to break out of this. But I guess see how this goes, because again, you're still in a downtrend on this asset. All right. That's what I got on that. Nothing really good on that one. Cron is a weed stock, so I think the weed stocks are going to do well.
Weed stocks, yeah, smoke it up.
Longer term, the weed stocks should do well. Lots of states legalizing marijuana and cannabis usage. So I think there's
You don't say.
a good narrative for the weed stocks to rally. Okay.
Good too. Don't get me wrong, but it.
That's a touch, right? So 1, 2.
Yeah.
Major trend line here.
Breaking out the fib. Oh shit.
And the volume spike here on Friday, or on the last week.
Matic moving on up, guys.
Yeah, on Friday.
Matic
Look at the
moving on
volume
up.
spike on Friday. That's
Yeah.
confirmation, guys. That's confirmation.
What's
Right,
going on here?
This is a major reversal area here for Cron. And we had a breakout, 15%.
Yep. Probably gonna go down though. Oh shit.
Looking toward the top, right? $14. That's your target. $14. 14.20. 14.75, somewhere up here. The top of the wedge is your target. You know what chart looks a lot better than this one? Sukari is a CGC. I'll get to that in a minute. But let's go back to some of the other ones you requested here. Surf. It's a biotech, all right. So it did an 88.6% retrace, pivoted right here off the 618, and looks like some sort of maybe inverse head and shoulders pattern in development. All right, I'm seeing that. It could be a potential situation here. Right, with your right shoulder being higher than your left, so a better performing head and shoulder structure.
Ah. What up, man? Shitcoin enthusiast. I love it. What up, man? How you doing, brother? Welcome to the show. We're doing a little simulcast today. A little simul stream. Come on, Bitcoin. Give her a rip. Yeah. Come on, let's go.
So yeah, it looks like a down-sloping channel, or maybe a wedge
Doing
that you
well.
broke out of, right?
Have we met? I don't know if I've seen you before. Who are you?
This is a wedge that you broke out of. You guys know.
Oh, welcome.
Top of the target. The target top here is $14 for this. Which this could be forming, you know, maybe a major cup with handle.
Ah, cup with handle. Do we have anybody out there that's normally on the show with me, or what? Anybody want to fucking get on here?
Either way, guys, if you're enjoying the content here, make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and join the Discord, guys. That's where everything goes.
Check
on,
out
man.
fucking
Join
STP, guys. Check out STP.
Posted in the description below.
Yeah, these guys are swing trade pros. You can look them up on the thing, and whatnot. But I don't know if I got anybody fucking coming on today. Oh, what's going on? I guess not. Oops. What the fuck happened? Uh-oh. I hit the wrong button. Oh, wait. Here we go. Oops.
Right.
There we go.
Must be making a new all-time high on the weekly. It's
yeah, so I just been mainly today just bot trading, and I got the dude, the fucking the Wick Hunter is fucking kicking ass. Like all night, it just like slayed the dragon and just fucking made me money. And this SAR bot's been running all day as we've been going up a little bit. We had a little bit of an uptick. I don't know what's going on, but you know, looks like I hope we keep going up.
Bitcoin here.
Are we gonna keep going up? Not at all. He can't hear me, but we're just like checking out his stream too. But gotta show him some love, man. He's brought us a lot of tools and toys for us to play with over here. Him and Todd in general. SAR bots, SAR indicators, all that fucking fun shit. You guys want to learn how to trade? It's cool. It's cool stuff. It's real money. Just don't get wrecked. But you can do spot, margin, futures, whatever. Spot trading with the SAR. I guess I haven't actually done the spot trade with the SAR. I got to set that up. I just love the futures, man. I love the high leverage, fucking high risk, man. Wrecked. No, but yeah. What up? It's called Shitty. Nice. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna get 3 comments? Hell yeah. That's cool, man. Yeah, it's definitely in my opinion, it's definitely worth it. Just don't run your leverage too high. Don't run too many pairs. You know, you're good. It is a good thing. You know, definitely you have to keep an eye on it from time to time. I would say like every few days at least, you know, because the shit can swing a lot. But it's great because like it'd been off for the last couple of days, and today it turned itself on because the market was going up a little bit. It's got a fucking. I did a bunch of trades. It made at least like probably $15 on a $3,400 account, which is not bad. You know, it's like 0.5% in just a few hours it was on. I don't know what it's doing now. It's on the other computer over here, but It's in a few trades. It's in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 9. But keep in mind, I cut all the levers and everything down to nothing. So right now I'm running like 9 trades and I got a 0.36% margin. It's down like $17. But as soon as the market turns around, it's going to come right back. But the thing's cool because it actually turns itself on in uptrends on the 1 hour and down in downtrends. But keep in mind, nothing is fucking perfect, of course. But I enjoy it. I like it. Makes me some income over here, and I don't even think about it. And then I do the Wick Hunter thing too. Wick Hunter's been good. Last few days has been really good. Got those sleeper settings going that actually survived the whole fucking big dump. So I'm not at liberty to share the settings, but it's helping me crawl out of the fucking hole. I love it. It works. So yeah. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. I figured I'd have somebody coming on here today. I guess not. Today I feel like crypto Jesus because like I'm starting to look like Jesus. But yeah, it's been a fun ride. Been a fun ride. Today just been chilling, doing my thing. Figure I'd show those guys off for a minute. And I guess if nobody's gonna come on here, you know how I do it. You know how I do it, guys. So I want you guys to destroy the likes on the way out. Do that thing. If you want to go check out the rest of that show, you can. And I'm going to go get back to my life. And I'll see you in the Telegram.
Alrighty guys, so I've been making so much goddamn money in the past couple weeks, I haven't had any time to take for myself, so I figured tonight, I'm just gonna go chill on my yacht and take it easy. Aww, do you guys not have a yacht? It's cause you're poor! I could literally purchase every goddamn one of you and sell you at a garage sale! Do you know how I got this boat? I sold stocks and I made money! You guys are probably like, wait, where's the catch? Is he trying to sell us a course or something? No! I'm here to call you poor and me rich! Money, money, money!